strong bond between you and this person. You know, probably din itong tao na to is holding a heavy responsibilities right now na kinakaharap niya. Okay, but there will be a union together. Okay, talagang magkakaroon ng union sa inyong dalawa with this King of Wands. Okay, kung sino man ito na before nakakonect mo, kung sino man ito na talagang tumatak sa puso't isip mo. Okay? Silipin natin kung ano yung status ngayon ng person na to. Parang love reading ito. Wow. You may be dealing with a divine masculine.